This has got to be the most in-demand video ever since I started introducing to you dropshipping in my earlier videos. Yes, we're gonna talk about dropshipping, and if you are interested with that, this video is for you. Parang nabenta ko masyado ang dropshipping idea sa inyo nung nag-discuss ako about starting your own online business in my earlier video. And if you have missed that, I will link them here and dito po sa baba sa description box. But before we do get started, hi, I'm Tony, and if you are interested with money hacks, starting your own online business, investing, saving, lahat ng alam ko about money, I teach here in this YouTube channel. And if you are interested with that, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and share it to your friends. Ang daming nagtatanong sa akin, na-flood na yung Instagram ko, na-flood na yung comment section about two different things: how to get started in dropshipping, and two is sino po supplier niyo sa dropshipping. I can't answer them straight away because ang dami mong kailangan i-consider when you're starting dropshipping. Before we even talk about dropshipping and how do we do this and who's my supplier, let's talk about first the myths of dropshipping. Some people think na this is gonna be a passive income. What do I mean by passive? It means that iiwan mo lang siya, wala ka nang gagawin, and tutubo na lang siya mag-isa. Hindi po to ganon. Although wala kang kailangang isipin suppliers, although hindi mo kailangan problema sa packaging, although hindi mo kailangan mag-isip ng inventory, you will still need to put a lot of time, a lot of effort, a lot of research into this. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Hindi po to ganon. Dropshipping, although it is a little bit easier because some of the items when starting an online business is taken out, kailangan mo pa rin siyang isipin na business siya. Hindi siya yung gagawan mo lang ng Facebook page, gagawa ka lang ng website, hahayaan mo na siya ganun. Hindi mo ganun yun, okay? You have to constantly market, remarket, target an audience, research who's your audience. Make sure you track all the expenses. Make sure you keep track of income. Kailangan mong constantly bantayan yung shop. Hindi po ito basta-basta nang iiwan. Ang dami nag-iisip na kaya nila gustong mag-dropship kasi mabilis lang. Hindi po yung ganun. It's still as hard as creating your own online business na ikaw ang may hawak ng inventory. Myth number 2 is you don't need money to start with dropshipping. Okay. Technically, that's right. Technically, but I don't recommend it. Kung wala kang pera, ang kailangan nyo po ay trabaho. Okay? Maghanap muna kayo ng trabaho para masuportahan yung side business nyo. Pag pinalaki nyo na yung side business nyo, tsaka kayo mag-resign sa trabaho. Ganun po. Kailangan mo ng financial stability. Kahit sideline yan, basta may extra income ka, you need that money. Ang hirap magdesisyon sa business kung wala kang leverage or kung wala kang pera na paglalaroan to experiment to make it bigger. Konting tiis ka lang. Tiisin mo lang na meron kang trabaho, at habang nasa trabaho ka, you start building your own online business. Dropshipping, reselling, gawa ka ng sarili mong product, and if that side business of yours grows, dun ka lang mag-resign. And ang rule of thumb is, at least times 2 or times 3 ng sahod mo, dapat kinikita mo na sa side business mo bago ka man mag-decide na mag-resign. Does not mean na dahil wala kang iisiping inventory, wala kang iisiping suppliers, hindi ibig sabihin libre po ang dropshipping. Okay? Hindi po ito ganun. Now let's get started with the model of dropshipping. If you have missed that, again, I link them here, and here na-discuss ko na po yung brief summary of what dropshipping is, dropshipping and print on demand. I've discovered dropshipping through an app called Uberlo. And Uberlo is an international app. Ang kinagandahan ng Uberlo is its suppliers comes from directly sa China, meron silang direct manufacturer sa US, and galing sa suppliers nila, isi-ship nila diretso sa customers mo. So basically, that's the whole dropshipping model, diba? Here in the Philippines, you can actually dropship 2 places. One is international, And the other is local. International meaning US, Canada, Netherlands, Japan, Korea, kung saan mo gustong mag-dropship, pwede. Meron din tayong local dropshipping wherein local suppliers dito sa Philippines ang bahalang mag-dropship papunta sa customers mo. Some people say na gusto ko yon from China diretso dito sa Philippines sa customers ko. Based on previous experiences, although it's possible na gumawa ko ng website ko, I downloaded the Overload app, got the suppliers, ship it here in the Philippines. Ang problema lang is na-stuck siya sa post office. May humarang sa gitna, which is of course our very awesome customs, awesome post office, na binayaran ko pang around 119 pesos para lang magpadala sa customer ko. And ako pa yung nag-deliver. Ang hirap, international supplier, dumiretso dito sa Philippines, sa bahay ng customer mo, hindi po pwede dahil may haharang sa inyo. But if you are planning international dropshipping, China, diretso sa customer mo sa US, diretso sa customer sa Canada, pwede yun. And a good thing about international dropshipping is, of course, times 40 yung amount agad. Those are the two types of, or two ways where you can start dropshipping. International man or local. Ngayon, what do you need to consider? First thing you need to consider when you are dropshipping is you need money. Okay? Kailangan natin ng leverage. Okay, technically you can still kung may paraan naman, but I won't guarantee you a big sale. I won't guarantee you a big income generating store if you don't have extra money to pay for this investment. Think of this as an investment. Think of this as a business. Okay? You still need that extra money to provide you with breathing space. Okay? Mas maganda pa rin na may breathing space ka kaysa sa wala. Yes, you do need money. First is to set up your website if you want a website. You still need money for marketing. Facebook ads, Google ads. Kung gusto mo guerrilla marketing, pwede din naman, pero it will take more time and more effort. Unless, of course, sobrang creative mo na hindi mo na talaga kailangan ng pera para mag-start. Second thing you need to consider when you want to start dropshipping is time. A lot of time. Time for research, time for creating product descriptions, time for shooting the product. Of course, kasi kung gagayahin lang natin yung product picture ng supplier, anong kinaibahan mo sa iba? Wala. Diba? How would you get those extra sales kung pare-pareho lang naman kayo na itsura? Doon na siya sa pinaka-mura. Also, you would need time to create and build a brand para mag-connect ka lalo sa customers mo. Even if you are just selling through Instagram, even if you're just selling through Facebook. Some people stay up until 12, some people stay up until 1 or 2 a.m. just to get things done, but I promise you it will give you better returns. One more thing that you need to remember is patience. Hindi to agad-agad magkaka-return sa'yo. It will take you quite some time to get used to this na parang mafe-feel mo parang walang benta. Bakit parang ang liit ng benta? You have to build that momentum. Momentum, create sales, create trusts, and everything else will follow. Patience is key here. Kung wala kang patience, is wala ka pang pera, sayang ng effort mo to start dropshipping. Another thing you need to consider when you are dropshipping is to make sure you have a clear audience. I have talked about this in my earlier video on how to start your own online business. I talked about niche or who is your target audience. Why do you need to know this? Is because kailangan mong malaman kung sino bang gusto mong i-target na audience para malaman mo kung anong products ang ibebenta mo, anong problems ang isosolve mo. If you have a target audience in mind, if you basically know them and your products correlate with them, mas madali kang magmamarket, mas madali kang gagawa ng content about that specific product. And of course, if you have that all figured out, mas cheaper siya on your marketing expense. Kasi, nakuha mo na kung sino audience mo eh. So, madali mo nang matatarget at madali ka nang makakahanap ng groups of people na makaka-relate sila sa products mo. I will try to discuss as much as I can here. I don't want to dive into giving you everything without me explaining anything. Baka naman gumastos kayo into a dropshipping company tapos sayang lang yung pera nyo. Okay, I don't want that. Sayang yung pera. Let's talk about how do you get started into dropshipping. This is gonna be brief, but I will talk about them one by one in next time. So, ang gagawin ko ngayon is parang introduction lang ng mga companies na pwede nyong puntahan when it comes to dropshipping here in the Philippines. I will start from the pinakamahal up to the cheapest. Here in the Philippines, again, you can dropship in different types. It will depend on your preference. It will depend on to your budget. It will depend sa'yo. Sa decision mo sa buhay. There are different dropshipping suppliers depending on your need and where to sell. If your go-to website is Shopee, if your go-to website is Lazada, and you only want to create Facebook and Instagram pages correlating to those websites, pwede din naman. We have suppliers here in the Philippines that can provide you dropshipping using Lazada. I don't know if Shopee, pero Lazada, yes. There are 2 companies right now who does this. But take note, dahil free nga yung platform nyo, you will need to shell out money for this. Kailangan mong maglabas ng pera when you are going to subscribe, let's say, to their company. I will discuss in depth of this company next time. Medyo mahaba na naman. Pero meron 2 company here in the Philippines who can dropship in Lazada and Shopee. One is Shopify, the other is Bilis Benta. Both are technically the same. Kasi pareho lang naman sila, magkapatid sila ang gumawa. Shopify right now is down kasi nasunugan sila, but I think they will come back soon. Bilis Benta, on the other hand, is currently ongoing. Again, you have to shell out money for these 2 brands. I'm already a subscriber for Bilis Benta, and yes, if you are still double thinking if it really works, yes, it works. But again, you will take so much time, so much effort into promoting your Lazada page. Kahit na Lazada yan, kailangan mo pa rin pag-effortan na palitan yung pictures. Siyempre, kung pare-pareho kayong pictures, paano na, di ba? Palitan yung description, dagdagan yung description, make it more appealing to the customers, and you will be given like 100 products in one go, and lahat yung papalitan mo, lahat yun tututukan mo para bumenta. Both of them are monthly subscriptions, so monthly ka mga babayaran, but again, monthly ka rin may stocks for sure. And again, like the regular dropshipping, sila na ang ship gamit ang pangalan mo, gamit ang pangalan ng tindahan mo sa customers. If you want a quick link to Bilis Benta, which is ongoing right now, I will link it sa description box, and nandun po yung details. Go click that link and then you will automatically join Bilis Benta. Let's go to the second type, and this is cheaper than the first one. The second is if you need to create a website to promote your product. Sabi mo, what? Mas mura pa ang website kesa sa Shopee at Lazada dropshipping? Actually, yes. Kasi, ang iisipin mo lang, kapag sarili mong website is yung website mo, yung domain, ads, and yung subscription mo sa dropshipping app ni Shopify. All of which, let's say, 4,000 to 5,000, save ka na doon. I have already created a video on how to create your own website using Shopify that will cost you less than 1,000 pesos. I will link them here and dito sa baba sa description box yung tutorial na yon. And yes, you can link your Shopify website to an app called OJMD Dropshipping. I have known them since 2016. Matagal na sila technically sa industry, but they have just started creating this app. Medyo bago lang to, pero since they are already very long in the industry, alam na nila yung proseso. The app itself is just around 1,000. Then the website is another 1,000 plus your marketing expense, yun na yun. Shopify, Bilis Benta, and OJMD has their own apps. Meaning, kaya siya may bayad. kaya ka may binabayaran ay dahil gusto nilang padaliin yung buhay. So technically, all of their systems are automated, wala ka nang iisipin. Kahit pictures man yan or anything else, lahat yan easy to get, easy to source. Kaya may bayad. The last set of people who can dropship are those websites na merong dropship. And I have shown you a couple before, and I'm gonna show you again. They do dropship. Ang kinigandahan dito naman sa kanila is wala kang isi-shell out na money masyado. You will take more effort than the two that I have mentioned earlier. So, mas ma-effort lang to. Kung may time ka naman, kung ma-effort ka naman, why not go into this mano-mano type of dropshipping? And I'll show you real quick in the screen here yung mga dropshippers na meron. So, you have Easy Fashion. There are instructions here. Fresh Picks Manila also doing dropship or reselling. But again, you have to contact them for instructions. Again, mano-mano ito. They don't have an automated system for this, but can pick the pictures. They'll give you the price. They'll do the drop shipping for you. Basically, that's about it. If I have missed out anything or if you have any other questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. And yes, I do hope to see you again soon. Bye.